Video number 28. Welcome to this channel. Create a numerator like this. Open After Effects. Create new projects and sequences. Type number 0. Place in the center using the Align window. Apply the slide control to the text layer from the menu Effects, Expression Control. Open the layers. Parent source text to the slider. Related expression was written. Very good. Initially math, point, round, open parenthesis, previous expression and closed parenthesis. Let's test. Animate the slider from 0 to 1000 in 10 seconds. Counts to 1000 in 10 seconds. Very good. Put the show in transparent mode. It is more beautiful with a drop shadow. And put a rectangle behind the head with a rectangle tool with a lot of roundness. And beautiful color. Very nice. Enjoy the motion graphics you created. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and like.